What's up, cooks? It's Wednesday. So spring is here, Easter is ahead, and I'm getting a little antsy. I need to get out of the house. And so I decided to hit my local Williams-Sonoma outlet store. I have not hardly been out of the house. The last time I went there was in November, and the store was basically licked clean, right? So I needed to go back and do a stock check, right? I had put something on hold, so I had to go out. I have a gift card from Christmas to spend. And do you think I came out with more than what I put on hold once I got in there? Let's see, right? Let's take a look at my trip to the Williams-Sonoma outlet store. What's up? It's Wednesday. It's time to get some cookware. So you know that I headed out completely suited up because I was not going out like that. I had to protect myself, so I was wearing a mask and a face shield. So I started off in the cast iron section. They did have some black lock, which surprised me. I was happy to see that. There was some Staub. There was no Le Creuset. I didn't see any, which is very surprising because this store is usually packed with it, but there was none to be found this time. So can I say that it is any more filled up from the last time I was here? It was wiped clean last time, and it is a little bit better, but still it's not back to where it used to. These shelves used to be double height, filled with cookware, and it still was fairly thin for this store. So I was looking at the Williams-Sonoma branded cookware. They pretty much had most of that. It was still marked up pretty pricey. It was like regular store prices, and then they had 30% off.
You as you drive, do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along, and I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever. Forever.
Really thin in terms of what they had. I did see some Instant Pot bowls, some Kenwood attachments. These have been here for quite some time, if I don't recall.
Okay, that's fine.
So I'm guessing it'll take off whatever it takes off.
Yeah, exactly.
And then you hit some magic buttons, and then we can pay the rest normally.
Exactly.
Oh.
Okay.
Processing.
Is this your stuff?
Yeah. Basically, the gift card is a down payment.
So as you can see from our trip, the store has improved a little bit, but not like it used to be. The stock is still on the slim side. And yeah, we did manage to find a few fun little things beyond my the pasta pot that I went there for. So You guys saw that I have this pasta pot. It's like a little one. And I have kind of a mid-size one, and I wanted one that was a little bigger. And they had the Williams-Sonoma brand on sale. It was normally $200, but it was on sale for $79. And then all the cookware was 30% off. So I think I got it for around $50. So that's what I put on hold. So
No drama. Is it this bottom or fully clad?
yeah, I think it's this bottom. So here is the pasta pot. Woo! It's a Williams-Sonoma. This is an open kitchen. So I'm not exactly sure what the price on this was originally. It's a 6-quart, so pretty interesting. I think this is great. In terms of a pasta pot, you don't necessarily need a fully clad pan. You could go out and spend hundreds, $300, $400, $500 on a fully clad pan that you're basically just going to boil water in and make soup. You don't need a fully clad pan. So this is awesome. Wow, I like it. Yeah, I needed one of these. So I'm really glad to have this. I think I paid about $50 for it.
About 55, yeah.
About 55.
So, Boo, everybody wants to know, did you buy anything else at the store when you were there?
What do you think?
I don't know. Maybe.
Okay, so I saw this and it's a bundt pan, and I've never seen a bundt pan in this shape before, and I had to have it. It's a Gold Touch branded, I think it's a Gold Touch, Gingerbread House bundt pan. Look at that. It is, I don't know, it's Williams-Sonoma. Let me look at this. I think it's a Gold Touch. Williams-Sonoma Gingerbread House. That's all it says. It's normally $38. It was marked down to $36 and it was 30% off. So here this is. Isn't this adorable? I had to get this. Now I'm a little worried. I'm gonna have to really grease this baby up to get the bundt pan out of here, but I'm gonna get the cake out of here. But look at that. Have you ever seen one of those? So it's like a gingerbread house in a bundt. So we will see if my cake release skills can get this done, right?
Maybe we can have a vote on your Facebook page.
Can Amy get the bundt out of the pan?
Can you get the cake out or not?
Ooh. Okay, and then my final purchase was totally like out there, right? I saw this, I had no plans to buy this, but when I saw it, I had to have it. So this is an Emile Henry Baker. It's a Baguette Pan, and I love their stuff. This is made in France, and if you want to talk about any kind of like stoneware, this is probably the top of the line. So it has 4 spots for your baguettes, kind of small baguettes, club sandwiches, that kind of thing, sandwiches. This is normally $135. It was 30% off. It wasn't like this huge discount to it, but I really wanted this.
And your gift card actually worked on it.
Well,
It was the other stuff.
my gift card was $110. So this is the bread roll pan. Look at this bad boy. It's made out of ceramic. I think even though this is unglazed, it is dishwasher safe, I believe. At least the other stuff is. So look at this. This is for baguettes. It's not huge baguettes though. I think it's kind of like, you know, small kind of baguettes. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to use this. Seriously, I really can't wait to put this baby to work.
Will that make the bread kind of crusty or something?
Yeah, it'll make it crusty. Sort of like if you use a Dutch oven. A lot of people are making Dutch oven breads. I actually have a video on it. I'll put a link up here and down there for my garlic and herb Dutch oven bread, but it's similar to that in one of these bakers. So what's up, cooks? It's Wednesday. Thanks for joining me. I had a lot of fun. I haven't been out of the house in a while, and this was a really, really nice little treat. I did go over on my gift card. My gift card was $110, and I think I blew it a little bit. But sorry about that, Eric. But hey, it was all in good fun, right? So I got this nice baker for some bread, and I did get my pasta pot as well as this little fun Baguette Pan. So thanks for joining me. If you like this video, please subscribe below and leave me a comment and let me know, do you have any of these pieces? Have you ever used one of these bakers before with bread? Let me know how you like it. And hit that bell so you'll get notified of our uploads. And also check me out in my Facebook group. Also, links will be down. Amy Learns to Cook on Pinterest and Twitter. And on Instagram, my name is a little different. It's Cooking with Amy. Have a fantastic week and happy Wednesday.